begin with Ashley. Okay? Susubukan ba dapat si Sherilyn? Huwag maraming icing, baka mawala yung kanyang wisdom figure. Okay? Yung tamang-tama na. Okay, punong-puno ng pagmamahal. Let's give a hand to Ashley. This time, Sherry, it's your turn. Sherry, marunong ka na bang magluto? O puro instant noodles pa rin? Okay? I have to remind you that the easiest way to a man's heart is through his stomach. So take a cooking lesson or two from your mother-in-law, even from your mother, to make sure na busog palagi si Ashley. Okay? So let's have your doves. As you can very well see, the doves always come in pairs. And they always come in the form of white to symbolize the purity of your love and your intentions for each other. Okay, Ashley and Chef, before you release your love, you have to make your wishes, your wedding wishes for today. We are here to ensure that, to pray that all your wedding wishes will come true. I know that you will not just make your wish for yourself, but even for your parents. Okay, so yung mga pangarap ninyo for each other, for your future family, kasama sa mga dasal ninyo ang inyong mga magulang. At the count of 3, you may release your doves. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, palakpakan po natin ang ating couple. Okay, at this point, I'm calling the best man, Mr. Lawrence Muniz, to offer a toast to our couple. Did I put you on the spot? Okay, so